Welcome to Global Muckraking. We'll be using these 5 weeks to learn about investigative journalists from around the world and the important role that muckraking reporters play in society. Even in a world of social media and fast facts, there's nothing quite like well-documented reporting about the stories that matter. This kind of work can change societies. For more than 150 years, muckraking reporters have attempted to shine the light on government and corporate misbehavior in nearly every part of the world. In this course, we will look at the fascinating trajectory of global muckraking and use case studies to explore its big themes. We'll ask questions such as, how does journalism change the world? What are the difficulties journalists face? What is happening today to the media, and where are we going? The first week will begin with a bit of history of global journalism and look at how the 19th century gave rise to the modern newspaper. We'll get to know some of the investigative journalists of that period and develop a framework for thinking about when journalism has an impact. In week 2, we'll travel to Africa and India to talk about some of the reporting there on famine, human trafficking, corporate responsibility, and labor abuses. In week 3, we examine journalism covering the extractive sector. Some of the most important investigative stories are about oil, gas, and mining, because those stories can involve big money, corruption, and environmental damage. We'll look at why it's so hard to investigate big companies and talk to journalists who have. In week 4, we focus on the pressures journalists face and the threats to freedom of expression in the digital age. Week 5 covers innovation and the new cross-border journalism and stories like the Panama Papers. Why are we in the golden age of global muckraking? How has journalism changed? What will muckraking look like in the future? I'll be lecturing and interviewing experts on global muckraking from around the world. We'll have readings, quizzes, projects, and online conversations. After 5 weeks with us, you'll know about the dramatic and inspiring history of global muckraking, understand when journalism makes a difference and when it doesn't, and glimpse the fast-changing world of media. So please, join me as we delve into the past, present, and future of global muckraking.